In this video, I will show you a simple recipe for potato pancakes. You only need 5 ingredients, of which you will need 5 potatoes, a single free-range egg, some flour, medium-sized onion, and a garlic clove. Start by peeling your potatoes. After that, use fine grater to grate them. Once you got that done, you will want to chop your onion into fine pieces. Then get your garlic clove and chop it into tiny pieces as well. Get your egg in a bowl and whisk it. Then add your onion, garlic, egg, some salt and pepper, as well as flour into the same bowl as your grated potatoes, and mix everything together. Get your pan on high heat, add some oil, and start cooking your potatoes by shaping them into pancakes. Once the bottom side gets nice brown and crispy, it's time to flip them. And then wait for the other side to get crispy as well. Do the same with the rest of the mixture, and once you cooked all of it, get a tray with baking paper and place all of your pancakes on the tray. And cook them in the oven for 10 minutes on 180 degrees. In the meantime, if you want, you can prepare a garnish for your potatoes. I will be using some mushrooms, cream, blue cheese, some creme fraiche, and some spring onion. I will chop my mushrooms into quarters. Also, chop your spring onion just so you have it ready for later. Place your pan on medium heat. Add some oil and start cooking your mushrooms. Add some salt and pepper to your mushrooms. And once your mushrooms get some color on them, add your cream, blue cheese, and creme fraiche into the saucepan. And start cooking the sauce on high heat. Check the seasoning for your sauce. I didn't add anything to it because I seasoned my mushrooms, and blue cheese usually provides the salt that you might lack. When 10 minutes has passed, get your pancakes from the oven and start plating your dish. Pancakes go first. Then some mushrooms cooked in blue cheese sauce on top. Finish it off with some spring onion on top. Chives or parsley is also a good option. And here you have it, potato pancakes with mushrooms cooked in blue cheese sauce. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.